Hello everyone, welcome to RTY Tech Services. KickChat is a latest chatting application like WhatsApp. If you want to launch your own application like WhatsApp, it is best solution for you. Also, this application support AdMob ads, so you can easily earn by AdMob. Download app from Play Store and install it. Now open KickChat application and register it. And enter your name and mobile number. You will receive OTP in your register mobile number. And log in it. Now you will see chat section, status section, call section, search bar section. You can also send message to new person from your contact list. In KickChat application, you can also send message to other person without save number from contact list direct to the number. When you send to message to any user, you will see double tick like WhatsApp application. Also, you can see user are online, offline or typing, etc. Also, you can send emoji, sticker, GIFs to user like WhatsApp application. User also hide chat, block any user, set wallpaper. If any issue, also send report to the admin or support. User also can send record message to other user. User can also add status in status section. User can add text, image, video status in KickChat application. User also can change text status color in status section. In call section, user can see all calls. User also can create new groups, add contact number and add group name and create it. In group, admin can change group name, add group images, group type like who can send message in the group. Also remove any group member or set as admin for any group number in group. User can also check settings section for some important features. Thank you for watching our video. If you need this project to your own business, please call or WhatsApp us for more details and demo.